So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Pandas video. So we are going to analyze something today and that is from Leetcode. So this is basically an SQL question and we are going to see it in Pandas. Like you know, it is a library in Python to use analysis perspective. So we are going to analyze today some data given in Leetcode, and the problem is we have to find the department highest salary that is present in both the tables. We have two tables, employee and department. So before that, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, to see these contents and if you want to learn or if you are learning. So basically I post learning videos related to analysis and machine learning and SQL. Anything that I can I can post it in here for your learning perspective. So make sure to subscribe. Let's see what is the problem. So we have two tables, employee and department. So basically we have to find the maximum salary in each department which is present in both table. Like we do not need any department which is not present in both tables. Like suppose here we can see here IT and sales is present. So if IT or sales anyone is not present here, we do not need that department. Right. So I have already have the code and I will paste it and I will explain it line by line. So the first line we'll see. The first line is we are making one joint data frame where in the function employee dot merge, like a df dot merge. You know, in pandas there is a function called merge. So we are basically specifying the right table. Like employee is our left table and department is our right table, and we're specifying how we are going to connect these two data frames. I'm specifying inner join, and the left on each department ID. So there is basically another function also join, but there you do not have the flexibility to select these left and right column. So basically if you have different names, different column names, so you need to use this merge option. And we are specifying left on department ID, like we are department ID in employee table, and right on each ID is the like right table. Okay. So we'll see the join data frame. How is it coming? What is the result? So basically we are getting left table as X and right table as Y, because there are like common names here in both the tables. If you will use join, then you do not have the flexibility to automatically identifying like this. You have to specify suffix as L suffix and R suffix. You can check out that function also, the df.join. Okay. So basically we are getting these column names, and what we need is we need these three columns names. Like we need name Y to be renamed as department, and we need name X to be renamed as employee, and we need the salary as a capital S of salary. But before that we need to find the maximum salary for each department. So let us find that maximum salary for each department. So we are storing in a data frame called maxdf. We are making it pd.data frame. We are just joined dot group by name Y. You can see name Y is here. We are grouping by these two, and we are finding which one is the highest salary. Okay, we are just mentioning the group by column, like the aggregated column, and we are specifying the aggregation function. There is another method also, .agg, where you can select the column names and the aggregation method you want to apply that on. Later we can see it sometime, or I can show you later, maybe after this video, but I think that will be a separate video. It will be easy for you. So we are just making it as a pandas.data frame, because if you will use this one, it will return a series for this salary only. Okay, so we need this name y also, and this name y will be present as index. So we are just resetting that index, and if you will see return max df. So you can see we are getting the department name and salary. Now what we are going to do, we are going to join this particular max data frame with the joined data frame. Okay, so that we can find the result. Just wait a minute, I need to copy this code. So I will paste this code. Now we are storing the result as max df dot mod. Same thing we done here. We are specifying the right table as joined. Left on we are specifying salary and name. So basically we are joining on these two columns, name and salary. Okay, like department name and salary. Right, and also same department name, salary and department name. And then we are just renaming the column names. We need to specify the columns equal to, or we can specify this dictionary and comma axis equal to 1. Okay, so we are specifying columns equal to name x, which is employee, name y is present as department, and salary we are just capitalizing that salary. Okay, so we'll just see what is our result. Now our result is, you can see IT sales here, 2 IT and 1 sales. We are getting the name, and we are getting the maximum salary for each department. Okay, but we need these three columns: department, salary and employee. We do not need these rest of those three columns. So for that, what we will do next, the next line of code is, we will directly return those three tables, like three columns. Do not need this one, you can write here. Okay, so we are basically specifying result. From this result table we need the department, we need the employee, and we need the salary. And also we are dropping those duplicates in case we are getting any duplicates, because in the result it is not taking any duplicate value. Like suppose IT gym 90,000 and IT gym 90,000 is present two times, it will not take, it will show as the execution failed, like it will show you as the wrong answer. So for that, basically we are using drop duplicates, will duplicate, which will like drop the duplicated rows. Okay, so now we'll run. You can see our test cases are accepted, and you can play with this. If you are like if you are writing this code, you can play with this and see what will happen if you will change something and other things. Okay, so now we will submit this code. So you can see our code is accepted, and if you have a better solution than this, please mention in comments with your solution. That will help others and me also to see like a different approach to this problem. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys learned something. Please subscribe if you liked this video, and also like my video. Okay, please also comment your solution if you have a better thing. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.